Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus Pad 3, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen. You can do that twice. This will extend the list of visible toggles, revealing the power saving mode as one of the toggles, which is right over here for me. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It turns on, as you can see, and also changes the filling of the battery right here to indicate that it is enabled. And there will be some things happening in the background which we are not informed about, so if you notice that your device is working a bit weirdly, this is most likely to do with the power saving mode being enabled. Now, once you're done needing it, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. Obviously, this will turn it off and revert all the changes that were happening. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.